Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Just finished up another semester at the University of Hawaii. So next year I'll be going into my 4th year, which is crazy, but I just finished up that semester yesterday. I took my last exam and it went really well, honestly. It was my psychology of emotions class. Girl, tell me why I was literally like doing the absolute most on the paper of the exam because I was just like wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything on the exam. But yeah, so that gives you an insight on where my head's been at the past the past few months since I started school. I've just been exhausted, honestly. I try to vlog, but it's just hard because school is just overwhelming for me. But I feel like I learned so much and I have so much to share with you guys about my experience. We'll probably go on an adventure today. It's supposed to rain a bit, so if I do go, I need to be prepared for that. Isn't the view so beautiful? This is crazy that I live here. Like, it's just perfect. Okay, I'm going now. Wait, you guys. I literally ran into my friend. We have psychology classes together. Well, we did.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, we need to talk about that. Anyway, so I'm mopeding like on the street and I seen you walking by. So we're gonna go get something to eat together because we're just randomly here at the same time. So we might as well. Do you know what this place is called, the shopping center?
It's called like Salt something.
Yeah, Salt something. You know they used to have this really good poke place right around this corner, and then they shut it down, but it had the best poke, like, and there was like just huge tubs of.
I'm so glad I ran into you because I'm.
Wait, yeah.
Local place. Wait, I have a question. Do you?
Hey guys, we got our food. Looks really yummy.
I'm already grubbing.
I'm excited. Which part do you think I should try first?
I think you should, what do you think? Wait, actually, I'm gonna get you spoon.
Oh, thank you.
I feel like the middle looks good. This part.
Just like grab a chunk. That looks good. I'm like,
It's burning my mouth. I'm hungry.
I'm gonna show you guys, but I really like how thick the noodles are. Wait, have you tried this before too?
I haven't tried the udon, but I've tried the, only the poke.
Do you like your food?
Oh yeah, it's really good.
It's good. Okay, we're on our way back home now.
Yeah.
I plan on going to the beach, but it's just been raining and I think the weather said that it's gonna rain for like the rest of the night, so I'm gonna stay put. I'm gonna stay home tonight. I'm gonna shower, get ready for bed, put some comfy pajamas on, and then I'm gonna read. I'm excited. I'll probably read out in the living room because you can hear like this rain and the stream right next to us and it's so peaceful. Okay, this is the book that I'm reading. I'm on 147. I want to get to like 200 tonight if I can, but I also have to do some editing, so we will see. And then I'm gonna drink one of these poppies. It's like a collab they have with Love Island, so it's like really cute, and the flavor is Punch Pop, so I already knew it was gonna be good because I love this flavor. If this doesn't scream the first day of summer, I don't know what does. It's time to read.
In New York, and you're late. I wish you were my daughter's pipe.
Yes, ma'am, we got the goods.
Oh my goodness.
I was showing her the video of when I was stuttering.
Wait, I didn't know my pajamas went down like that. Okay, guys, we ordered Little Caesars. We're just sitting here talking, and we're also watching the Monster High movie. So yeah, this is our vibe towards summer 2026, and it's going good so far. Do you like the food?
Me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I love those. I haven't had it in a minute.
I'm excited,
and
it's really good.
Oh, I'm excited. You might.
Hey you guys, good morning. It is day 2 of this summer series now that I'm on summer break in between my college semesters. Just got my flight home to Vegas, which is going to be so exciting because I'll be 21 in Vegas, but I'll be having fun. I just checked the weather. The UV rays are so high, which yesterday our day got cut short because of the rain, which is fine. You know, we love the rain. I love to read in the rain at home, but I wanted to be outside. If you guys are following along with me, I didn't read to page 200, but I'm almost there. And it feels like I'm kind of almost halfway. And I like the book so far. I honestly think it's very cozy feeling. I just like this perspective. It's a fresh one, it's new, and it's not like one that I relate to right away, but like as I've read in and stuck with it, I feel like there are parts to his personality that I do relate to. So I do like it, and I'm excited to see where it ends. And also there's a second book, so I'm excited to see if I like it enough to read the second one. Okay, I'm starting to wake up now. I'm gonna put on a workout set, and then maybe we'll go downstairs and stretch in the grass. I don't know if you can see it, but the sun's starting to peek over the mountain, and it's so pretty. Wait, let's go out here so you guys can see. Isn't it so beautiful? Okay, anyways, we're making tea. Okay, now we wait. Okay, I have my tea. It's from this mango Maui. It's flavored black tea, so it's really good. And it doesn't even need a lot of honey on its own, but it's good with it, so we'll have some of this clover honey. Wait, this might be some of my roommates. No, it should be good. I need to find the lid. I think this is good. Okay, I don't really know what outfit we're gonna do, but I know I need to do a workout set, and then maybe like a jacket or something, I don't know. I guess it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. Okay, we have pink. Which one was I trying to decide between? Yesterday that I didn't wear. Oh, there's also green. This one's from Aritzia. It's so cute. It's literally lasted me so long, you guys. I think I got this like maybe freshman year, sophomore year. It's their TNA line, right? Or their butter soft line, whatever the hell it's called. Well, it's their TNA Action brand. It's kind of wrinkled, but like the quality's stayed so good. Come on, you guys, you have to make a decision. I don't know, we could just do blue today. I'm losing the matching tops to my pants and then my shirts for all my workout sets. So maybe white is the move. You guys give me a second. I need to figure this out. Okay guys, I'm running kind of late, but this is what I'm bringing with me. This tanning oil, this sunscreen from Kula. I love it so much, and the scent is amazing. It literally smells like summer in a bottle. And then obviously my headphones, keys, my phone. Okay, and then the last 2 things I'm bringing is the Got To Be gel, and then my Summer Fridays lip gloss, and these sunglasses. So here's what it looks like. I mean, these shorts are from Brandy, I'm pretty sure. This top is from Abercrombie & Fitch, which I love it because, you guys, I'm so anti-bra. I do not care. But these tanks have like built-in padding, and they're perfect because you literally do not feel it. Like, it doesn't feel uncomfortable. So I love that. And then also this beach cover-up from American Eagle when I did that campaign with them, their spring ad that they wanted me to do. What was it? It was last spring. I got this from them, so I'm gonna be wearing it again if it rains because I'm going knowing that it's gonna rain. So I need to be able to like get my stuff and go. I'm getting a tan today. Just the clouds and the rain. So we're still gonna tan. Okay, let's do this. I don't know. I made it back home. I'm walking. It's so freaking hot out. I thought it was gonna rain all afternoon, but I'm so glad the sun stayed out. What the hell? Okay, back from the beach. I had a good time. That was so much fun, and I definitely got a tan, so that's good. That was my goal, was to get some color today, and now I'm just like tan and exhausted. I'm gonna shower, do my body care, take a nap, and then I need to edit because episode 1 of this summer series is going up, so I'm super excited because I'm excited to just look at the footage and upload it and not really like think too much about it before I get in my head and stop doing it. So we're just gonna keep going with this. Yeah, because day 2 was so much fun, and now I'm excited to post this one too, so I know I have to post both. And today was good, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I don't know how much more I should share today because I do have to edit, but it is a Saturday at the same time, so I don't really know what I'll end up getting up to. We will see, and I'll keep you guys updated. I'm about to get in the shower. There's really so much sand over me, but that was a good beach day. Okay guys, I've been procrastinating this ever since I got out of the shower because I don't want to do my hair. Because there's like 2 knots in it, and I'm just like annoyed because I know it's from the ocean because my hair was done when I left the house this morning, and then when I got in the water, I don't know what happened, but there's 2 knots in my hair, and so now I just need to deal with it because I can't keep putting it off forever. So we're gonna be using these products. I'm using this Fenty Hair Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner, and then this is the gel that I use. This because I love this gel, but I literally have to hunt for it every time I find it. It's always in like Ross or TJ Maxx or something like random, so you just don't know when you're gonna find it again. They do have it on Amazon, so if I really needed it, I would get it from there, but it's just fun that you never know when you're gonna find it again. I love that. So, and also this California Naturals leave-in conditioner and detangler. I really like this one. You can literally see instantly my hair get softer as I spray this on. I can honestly say I really like this product as well, and I also use their shampoo and conditioner. So, I've been using them like the past couple months, and I really recommend, especially with this combo. Yes, girl, that is what I've been using, okay? That's the secret. Anytime I've had my hair down, that's probably the combo that I've been using. So I'm gonna go through it. I'm gonna use my pattern brush that my sister got me. I have not used it for a while, but it actually does work really well. So I'm just gonna section off my hair, spray it, do all that stuff. Maybe we'll do a time lapse. I have my iPad with me. I'm gonna put on a YouTube video and just lock in and do this. It's fun doing it. I love doing my hair. It just takes a minute, so let's get started. Okay guys, I've cooked tonight. I'm heating up some teriyaki chicken and then a bowl of rice. It's super easy, especially when you marinate it for a few days. It tastes really good. Oh, also my hair turned out great from, you can see, but. Okay, here. What is this called? Housewives? I think it's called Desperate Housewives. We have that playing in the background. Okay, here's my food, you guys. I'm not sure if it's focused, but